Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got a HOTWHEELS Mystery Models 2, and I hope I get it Supra. But I feel like this is not a Supra, but it's open. 3, okay, wait, okay, guys, before I open this, make sure to like and subscribe, okay, guys? Did you like it? Oh, nobody liked the video. Okay, so I'm not gonna open it. I'm just kidding, guys, let's just open it. 3, 2, 1. Come on. This again. I thought this was a Supra. Check the... Oh, come on. Look, we got this car. At least we get the sticker. The map, we get another map. So guys, let's put it here. But yeah, this car, not too bad, It's got a good design. What makes it feel like a Supra is the spoiler and the body of the car. It just, oh my god, I have so many duplicate cars. Like, I have like 2, okay, literally, okay, hold up. Okay, let's see. What cars am I missing? So basically, look, now, okay, I have 2 Lamborghinis. I have 2 of these. And I have 2 of these now. I have 2 of this. And I have, what else? So I have 2 of, that's all. 2 of these, I have 2 of these, and 2 of these, and 2 of these. Oh my god, I have so many duplicates. Huh? Like, literally. I just can't find the Supra. Why is it hard? You know what? I might buy a whole box, so hope I get a Supra if I buy a whole box. But yeah, guys, this is going to be end of video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye-bye. Oh my god, I got so many duplicates.